vessel. The next thing that you should do after the anchor has been let go is to plot the vessel's position on the chart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.